Alright, let's talk camera moves, the secret sauce that can totally level up your videos. See, how the frame changes over time isn't just technical jargon, it's composition in motion. Start with the basics, static shots. When I lock the camera off, it gives viewers time to breathe, to really soak in the details. But don't mistake calm for boring. Sometimes a static shot cranks up the tension, holding on a character just long enough to make you wonder what's next. Now, when I want to draw you into a scene or follow the action, that's where dolly or tracking shots come in. Gliding the camera forward, backward, or sideways can reveal new spaces, hidden details, or just keep the energy flowing as the story unfolds. Want things to feel raw or up close and personal? Grab that camera and go handheld. The little shakes and jitters add a sense of urgency. Perfect for chaos, conflict, or just making your audience feel like they're right there in the thick of it. Crane or drone moves? Oh man, nothing says epic like soaring overhead shots. These aren't just for showing off beautiful landscapes. A sudden rise or swoop can make a scene feel massive, or even a bit ominous, like someone's watching from above. Here's the golden rule though. Movement should always serve the story. If it's just flashy for the sake of it, you'll pull people out of the moment. But used with purpose, every move can boost the emotion, guide the eye, and make your audience feel something real. So next time you're planning your shots, ask yourself, not just where should the camera be, but how should it move? That's where the magic happens.